Hello everyone, I am Siddhi Bhattare and today's my topic for discussion is on the Ganga River. As we know, the Ganga is so the purest form of our nation and we consider as a holy river. The reason behind this Ganga River is so much more bigger and this Ganga river known to be scared river. The river Ganga has a religious background in the Hindu mythology. According to the ancient text, King Bhagirath, which was had an ancestor who had committed huge sins to cleanse his kingdom of the burden of their bad deeds. He medicated to bring godness Ganga to life. It was said that by bathing in it, it could wash away their sins and attain salvation. However, the massive force of the Ganga would have destroyed the earth, so the Lord Shiva mattered her onto his hairs and he flowed from it in the streams. Since goddess Ganga is known for liberating people from the cycle of life and death, people immerse of these ashes of their loved ones in the holy river. This is something some information of about the Ganga river, and also the Ganga river, it is one of the most famous river in the world. People from foreign countries never miss their chance visiting the Ganga because in our Hindu tradition it is said that taking in bathing in the Ganga river gives all the it means all the worries are get destroyed and all these things get destroyed and we will get the happiness. Next, the Ganga river is formed by the union of two main tributaries known as Bhagirathi and Alaknanda at the place called Devprayag. The point where the river Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meet at Devprayag, we called it as a Ganga, river Ganga. So, Bhagirathi originated from the Himalaya glacier. Gangotri, while Alaknanda rises from the Nanda Devi, the northern peak of the Himalaya. Although Alaknanda and Bhagirathi are the two main tributaries, so the Ganga also has the three other than rise from their Himalayas, namely Mandakini, Dhauli Ganga and Pindar. These are some these are the further division of the Ganga, which is rise from the Himalaya, and it is said Ganga originally rose from Gaumukh, which is the one of the southeast of the Gangotri. And here is this some information that I have been given about this. Hope you should understand that how our Ganga river is so much holy, and lots of people came here for destroying their sins and to get much more happiness. So as the Ganga river, as I said, it is one of the most famous river in the world, but nowadays it is known for the polluted state right now, because there are many initiatives taken to clean it, because in Ganga river it contains the lots of wastage debris. Sometimes people throw their garbages and all these things, and also the human dead ash is also thrown into that. So due to this it become much more polluted right now. So lots of actions are taken to clean it, but although none of them has been completed successfully, but still up till now lots of activities are going to be held to clean the Ganga river. And so what we have to do, as we are a living in our India country, so it is our citizenship. So every citizen should aware about to not to not to destroy the environment happiness, because at last, if we harm the environment, yeah, indirectly we are harming ourselves. So if we clean our environment, so indirectly we are cleaning our habits too, our happiness too. So it is much more important to maintain all this thing clean. So at least we do one thing, whenever we should go, whatever is that, that is seashore and all this thing. So it is our responsibility, so not to throw the garbages and not to pollute the environment, so that it should harm the environment. So as I said about the how the polluted Ganga river is this, so lots of cleaning plans have done, initiatives have done, but none of them have been completely successful. So it is responsibility of every citizen to maintain the proper cleanliness around everywhere. So here is the some information about the Ganga river, from where it is originated, what is the small history behind that, where it originated, that is Himalaya. From Himalaya, this further it has three divisions, and where it comes and how after coming, that is Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, they combine and form the Ganga river. Here is some brief history. Also, there is one of the history called as in Marathis, the people believe on Dattatreya Maharaj. In the Dattatreya Maharaj Grantha, there is one history about the Ganga river. And one of the also the Gajanan Maharaj. So the Gajanan Maharaj, in their history, it was written that the Gajanan Maharaj, who is the goddess. So in their history also it is shown that about the Ganga river. So that the Gajanan Maharaj and with their colleagues, they have went to take the to go to the religious place with the help of boat. So during this, the boat, in the boat there is a hole. So due to this, the boat started dipping into the water. So every people get feared and saying the Gajanan Maharaj what we should do. So at that time, Gajanan Maharaj have said भिऊ नकोस, मी तुझ्या पाठीशी आहे, and started saying that we should do the prayer for the Ganga. So as soon as they have started some using some mantras, the Ganga river has came there, and they have doing the namaskar to the Gajanan Maharaj, and in this way the whole people get saved. This is one more interesting story in the Puratans. So hope you should enjoy this information, and hope you should get all the information. Thank you. Here is the end of my video.